What's the meaning of brisket? Brisket. Brisket.
Brisket. Brisket. Brisket is a cut of meat from the breast or lower chest of a cow. It is a popular meat for smoking and barbecue due to its rich flavor and tenderness. When cooked properly, brisket results in a juicy and flavorful meat with a crispy exterior. The most common way to cook brisket is to dry rub it with spices and slow cook it for several hours until it is tender and easily shredded with a fork. Brisket can be served as a main course or as a sandwich filling. It is a favorite dish in many American barbecue restaurants and backyard cookouts.